Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to break character AI filter. Attempting to break or bypass the filter of character AI or any AI platform is against the terms of service of most platforms, including character AI. Filters are in the place to ensure that interaction remains safe, respectful, and appropriate for all users. So, here's a summary of why filters are important and why bypassing them is not advisable. First is filters are designed to prevent harmful, offensive, or inappropriate content. They help keep conversation respectful and appropriate, specifically in public or shared spaces. Trying to bypass the filter may result in your account being suspended or banned. Without filters, AI could generate harmful or abusive content, which can have negative consequences. While you can't bypass filter, you can customize the way the bot responds by defining its personality, behavior, and conversational style in the character's AI setting. If you think a filter is too restrictive or not working well, provide feedback to character AI support team. They can review and adjust the system based on user input. In short, it's essential to respect the platform rules and filter to create a positive and safe experience for all users. If you are interested in creating more unique or engaging conversation, focus on customizing the bot's personality or role-play scenario within the guidelines set by the platform. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.